Hi, it's Diego, and in this video I want to show you guys what I do to improve my language learning using short videos. So first of all, you have to know that this is a very nice technique that I use that will definitely increase your vocabulary and it will improve your listening and your speaking skills. So before we start, I want to tell you that before you select a video to start learning the language that you want to learn, then you must look for a video that meets the following 4 requirements. So first, the video must be interesting or fun to you. Second, it must have subtitles at least in the same language as the video is spoken. Third, the video must be spoken by a native speaker. And 4, the video must be short. It must be no longer than 10 minutes. So let's go over here to my laptop so I can show you exactly what I do to improve my language learning from short videos. Alright, so here we have a very interesting video by Benny Lewis from Fluent in 3 Months. And this video is 11 minutes long. So first thing you want to do is to divide those 11 minutes into shorter segments. So the first segment for me is going to be a segment of 2.5 minutes. Okay, 2 minutes and a half. And the first thing that you want to do is to play the whole segment, the first segment, so you can get an idea of what the video is about. Now you go back to the beginning and play the video one more time, but this time pay attention to everything you read in the subtitles, and whatever you don't understand, look the word up in a dictionary or look for the phrases in a dictionary. In this case, I am using Google Translator. For this example, I'm a Spanish native speaker trying to improve his English skills, so that is why I'm just translating from English into Spanish. So keep doing that. Keep looking for the new words and expressions in a dictionary. Make the video completely clear so you can understand everything. When the video becomes clear to you and you know every word that is being said in the video, then go back and repeat the video. Notice how the words from the video match with the subtitles of the video, and then repeat the same video many times. You could even just turn off the subtitles at some point and keep repeating the video. Keep doing this for a couple of days and then move on to step 2. Now, in this step, it's all about pronunciation. So play the first segment, listen to the video. In this case, I'm listening to Benny, so what I do is to repeat what he says, his body language, his intonation, his facial expressions, everything. Do this for at least 1 day or 2 during 10 minutes a day, and then move on to step number 3, which would be correction. And because I don't have a tutor or a teacher here, what I do is to record myself saying everything that is being said in the video in a cell phone. So after that, I just play the video one more time and I start noticing how the video sounds compared to my pronunciation. This way I can start making corrections and fixing my pronunciation. And there you go, that's the technique that I use to improve my language learning through short videos. If you like this video, please like the video and share it. Also subscribe to this channel. If you want to learn Spanish or improve your Spanish, subscribe in the link below to my free email course, and I'll be waiting for you and looking forward to help you. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you next time. Bye!